Do you want to know how you can clear the cache on Shein? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to One2Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can clear the cache on Shein. There are two options. Let me show you the first one. The first option is to open Shein and go to your profile, which you can see on the bottom right hand side, and then click on settings. You can see clear cache. Go ahead and hit it and then press yes. This way your cache will be removed. The other way is go ahead and locate Shein, tap on it, go to its settings, scroll a bit down and find storage. You can see the cache over here as well, and to clear the cache go ahead and click clear cache, which you can see on the bottom right hand corner. This way the cache of Shein will be removed as well. I hope this video about how you can clear the cache of Shein was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.